Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the Hai Chau area and the city center of Da Nang. We're gonna take a nice little stroll here. I've just went to my tailor of my trust and I made a new shirt. Also with my beautiful wife here. And she's gonna also go to the Han market and let something tailoring there. We will try it out. And we're gonna take a nice little tour here. Also, I feel like this is Little Korea, since I think the most Korean tourist spots are here. It's also very popular here. These hotels here are very touristy. I don't think it is less touristy than Antung area, it's just different. So this is very popular with Asian tourists here actually. And we also have a beautiful church here, which you definitely should visit. I think it's a Catholic cathedral. And it's right on the left here. We're gonna walk by, it's closed right now. Maybe it's because of Sunday. Maybe they have something going on in there now. No, I think it's closed just now. Oh, not 100% sure. We also have the M Village Hotel here. Got some fancy coffee here. Apricot cold brew. That's what you like now, huh? Apricot cold brew.
Wow,
Hipster.
that's my favorite.
Yeah? I knew it. Yuzu cold brew. Maybe you and David can go on cold brew tours. Yeah, what is this? That looks good. Lan Gyo. Oh, Antoy seafood. Is it the same thing that comes now to... Yes, it is. Look at this, baby. This is the new seafood restaurant that comes here to the beach. This is right next to... what is the hotel name again? Damn it, I forgot it. TMS. Right next to TMS, they will open this. Oh. So this is what it will be there. I think it's going to be a great addition to the beach. We also have super spicy tripe pho. Nice. Okay. Hello.
Hey. They just said 안녕하세요 to me.
What?
They just said 안녕하세요 to me.
This is Korean. They think you're Korean. Damn. You should stop drinking so much hipster coffee. Look at this beautiful church. I guess I have now a Korean girlfriend. I mean, this is the problem. I think you eat too much kimchi soup. That's why you look Korean now. Look at this. They're making the photos for Tet Festival. The Vietnamese New Year is in 1 month and everyone is taking their photos now. I think the biggest hotspot for taking photos is in Hanoi at the lake. This is crazy to see. Right before Tet is crazy there. There's so many photos taking place. Check this out. Whenever there's a new restaurant or store is opening up, you get these kinds of flowers. So I believe this flower market for opening businesses are bigger than the private sector. Just like lads giving their missus some flower bouquet. I don't think that's a common thing here. Pavement-wise, it's kind of okay. It's good to walk. They have some yellow lines here, and they're almost working. Almost. It's a gold. You want to buy some gold? Oh, baby, do you want to have the flowers again I gave you the first time? Check this out. Baby, what would you think if I drive this car? Huh? That would be cool, right? As a family car?
People is like taking photo in front of it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I needed a little bit more hardcore. And
What is this
yes,
going on here?
every time I walk by here, there are Asian tourists buying something, maybe gold. And I read somewhere that Koreans buy a lot of gold here, or silver. Or, yeah, because it's cheaper somehow here. Or it's cash. Lots of cash getting. Oh, they're changing money.
Exchanging, yes.
Oh. Check this out. Wow.
So they wiped out all of the gold and doing exchange money only.
Oh, wow. Okay, so they don't sell gold anymore. Only, or maybe they have a back door. Just like all the stores here. They sell fruit and in the back door they sell other things. And this is the Han Market. This is the Han Market. Here all... Last year there was a big crackdown on all the fake stores here. So the majority is now... Hello! You know me? Oh, what's your name then? Huh? Okay.
I'm a tour guide, but I also follow your YouTube channel.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's good YouTube channel. It's a DJI Action 6.
Okay, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I
it
want to
is.
buy Action 5 because
Oh,
my
yeah.
money is small.
No, but it's the same. Believe me, this is not a difference.
Should I buy Action 5?
5, same. I swear to God, I have the 5. I had the 5. It's the same camera. I swear to God, you don't need the
You
6.
show my face.
Yes.
I want to be your channel.
All right. Then,
My name,
what is it? This is your tourist?
Yeah, I'm a tour guide.
Okay.
So I'm a tour guide in Da Nang City.
Okay.
My name Tunvo.
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel with 450 subscribers.
Oh, that's
I want to
awesome.
be
Show
1
me,
million subscribers.
show me your YouTube
Yeah.
channel, and I will put it in it.
Yeah. No. You record. I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
everybody know my channel.
All right.
My channel,
Chuan, okay.
Tunvo A8.
All right. Hold
Yeah.
on. Yes.
There
we go.
Tunvo A8.
Okay.
My channel.
And can they also watch out? Can they text you somewhere
Yeah.
so they can book a tour?
Yeah, you can follow my channel and
Yeah.
book a tour from Da Nang or Vietnam.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
So you got it. All right.
Yeah, with the
Have a
good
good day,
price.
Tuan. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day. Germany.
But I think you are American.
No, I'm German. Okay, that's Tuan. I think I saw his comment one time here. He's a smart guy. I like these guys who are like proactive, you know, getting the business done, thinking outside the box. Come, baby. And getting new customers like that. Very good. All right, now let's go to the Han Market. It smells like, what does this smell, babe? Fish? Maybe it smells like
Go up. Let's
mamzuk. Yeah, this is what it smells like, guys. Shrimp paste, shrimp sauce, fish sauce. Okay, I don't know where we're going here. You want to go upstairs? Okay. Okay, guys, it's kind of wild here. I don't think this is an official entrance here. We're going straight into the section where you can get actually things tailored or repaired. So here you can everywhere you can get these oversize. Also for the man. This is fancy. I like this. I like gold. You should get a golden suit, a golden oversize. It's the year of the horse. Guys, so you will see a lot of horses the next few weeks and year.
Okay, I have to find my auntie.
Where's your auntie? You can everywhere you can buy these clothes, the material. You can get pretty much done everything here. As you can see here, the Han market is still very busy, a huge attraction to everyone who's coming here. You can buy all kinds of stuff. What's very interesting is you see the stands, and on top there are people live. During everything is sold downstairs, they get everything upstairs as well. They have the storage up on top of the store, of the stand. It's kind of crazy. And even though there's no AC, it's not that hot here, to be honest. We have some fans over here, but yeah, sometimes you get some weird funky smells. That's usually one of those unique traditional sauces. Smell bad, but for me personally, I absolutely love it. I love all the smelly sauces. They look nasty, they smell nasty, but oh boy, they taste very, very good. Mam tom, mam zouk, mam nem, mam weiß was, I don't know. Crazy. So many different sauces, so many different stages of fermented shrimps. I love it. I'm getting hungry talking about it. The scarves feel very good. Very soft, super soft. Very nice. I think you can get pretty much everything here. Like it's all the fake market, fake things, even luggage pieces. But what's more interesting is actually getting things tailored here also. Oh. You can even get dresses here. All right, let's see how far she is. Or maybe I now lost her. Oh no, she's all the way in the back there. No, okay guys, she's getting measured now, but we're gonna go downstairs and check out the downstairs area. And be aware, this is a very touristy market, so the normal things like mangoes, everything that is very popular with tourists will also be more expensive here than in all normal markets. So it is a local market in a way of some things are good here for locals, I guess. But if you look in all those coffees and mangoes, they're usually twice or three times the price here. Then if you go to the cone market, for example, or the smaller local markets. But for example, if you want to have food, right, it's pretty much the same. So if you want to eat something over there in the food market, it's pretty much the same. It's not, to be honest, it's not the best here, this little market there, because there's more money to be made with things for tourists, right? But I could imagine all those sauces are also normal price, because I don't think they are very popular with tourists, especially Western tourists. I don't think they're taking this here home, Mam Nem or something. Hello. No, I'm just checking, thank you. Here, Mam Zouk, Rook, also very good. Very nice. Let's check out the food area here. So if you really want to have local market food, the best thing is, I think, in the cone market. It's one of the cleanest and nicest local markets in the country, I think. It's beautiful. It's so good. It's like amazing. Thank you so much. So cone market is my favorite market. Here it's also good. I ate here one time. This stand is very good too. I always eat those little ones. I forgot the name now. Totally forgot the name now. But I absolutely love local market food. Here or in Hue, it's fantastic. I think even in, I have not been in a local market in Hanoi, to be honest. I have not yet. But it's also simple, because usually when I am in Hanoi, I eat a lot at my family-in-law because they love to cook for me, and I absolutely love to eat there. So it's not that common that I eat out so much in Hanoi. But yeah, oh my God. Let's check out this area here where we are now. But yeah, Hue, I think, is also very, very good local markets. I forgot the names of the markets I went to, but the dishes were phenomenal. But usually, stick to the things that are good in the area. Stick to the local stuff. Don't eat northern style pho here, if you can have it in Hanoi. Stick to Mi Quang, Ban Can, and Bun Mam Nem as well. That's also very popular here. Stick to the local dishes. That's the best thing you can do. In Hanoi, stick to Bun Cha, Bun Dam Mam Tam for northern style. And yeah, different more. There are so many different specific dishes. And to be honest, there is not the best pho here in Da Nang, to be honest. It's just for my taste, because I'm very biased. I'm a Hanoi guy. For me, it's hard to find here Hanoi style. But for everything else, I don't think you can find a good Mi Quang in Hanoi at all. I have not seen any, to be honest. And the banh mi's in central Vietnam is superior. I'm sorry, dear South, I'm sorry, North, but bro, central Vietnamese banh mi's, especially the bread, not too big, smaller size breads. I also love Hue style, the smaller ones with the grilled pork, very beautiful too. I did a video about that too. Hue has also very underrated banh mi's. Oh, look at this! An Aussie here! Again, are you following me?
You're following me.
Yeah! What are you doing, man?
I just got some shirts, mate.
Shirts?
Yeah.
They did the shirts for you?
In the market, yeah.
Ah, okay.
In the market.
How much was it?
60,000.
60,000.
Yeah, it's not bad. For the golf shirt.
60,000 for golf shirts.
That was 110.
110. So $4 for shirts. All right, golf shirts. I guess when you go back on the golf course, they're all gonna say, "Oh wow, you got so many new shirts."
$6. Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, this is the beautiful Han market here. From outside, we are at the Han River. There is the beach, and there's the Dragon Bridge. So this is definitely a place to visit. It's huge on Google. To be honest, for me personally, if I really want to have local stuff, I go somewhere else. But as a tourist, I think it's a great thing to do. It's just like the Ben Thanh market in Ho Chi Minh City, right? Just go there, walk around. It's like 2-3 hours. Also, check out all the neighboring things, because every time there's a market, you get good food around it. Yeah, here you can also have very fancy dinner. There's some steakhouses over there in the city center. Hai Chau is very modern and very good looking. Yeah, Cardi Steakhouse, I have not tried it yet. Lots of banks here. Look at this, they even have those things, just like in Hoi An. Hello! Okay, so you can get a tour here as well. And there's a public transport bus. All right. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.